Ariana Greenblatt is an 18-year-old American actress of Jewish and Puerto Rican descent, renowned for her versatile performances across film, television, and voice work. Rising from child stardom on Disney Channel to starring roles in major blockbusters like Avengers, Infinity War and Barbie, Greenblatt has become one of Hollywood's most promising young talents, blending emotional depth with charismatic energy. She continues to expand her profile with high-fashion endorsements and eagerly anticipated 2025 releases, solidifying her status as a multifaceted star. Greenblatt was raised in a creative family environment that nurtured her early interest in performing. Her father, Sean Greenblatt, is an actor and producer with Broadway ties through his grandparents, while her mother, Solimer Soli Greenblatt, hails from Puerto Rico. She has an older brother, Gavin, who is 3 years her senior. The family split time between New York City and Parkland, Florida, providing Greenblatt with a vibrant, multicultural upbringing that informs her heritage-driven roles. A Virgo by zodiac sign, she has spoken fondly of her close-knit family, crediting them for her grounded approach amid early fame. Greenblatt's career ignited at age 8 in 2015 with a guest spot as Raina on Disney's Liv and Maddie. She quickly landed her breakout as Daphne Diaz, the inventive youngest sibling in the Diaz family, on the Disney Channel sitcom Stuck in the Middle, earning her widespread recognition as a child actress. That same year, she competed on Dancing with the Stars Juniors, partnering with pro dancer Miles Brown and finishing as one of 3 runners-up, showcasing her dance skills honed from years of training. Her film debut followed in 2017 as Lori in the holiday comedy A Bad Mom's Christmas, marking her transition to the big screen. Venturing into voice acting, Greenblatt lent her talents to Tabitha Templeton in The Boss Baby, Family Business 2021 and the Netflix series The Boss Baby.